Wow. Ooh, wow. So light up the cave, light up the cave. It's so cool. Nice.
They fly by your head?
Oh yeah, there are some bats over. She's like, I'm good. I'm good.
Whoa, 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 watch him, whoa.
Shit, man! Oh man, that's a big crash right here. You should keep your lights on. It's pretty cool. Yeah, keep your lights on. Where is Jasmine? On right there. Yeah. Oh, I cannot see her because of the dark. Nice. Here, put. Yes, now I can see her now. Right here. Put it on your face, to your chin. Probably, yeah, that'll glow you up. Oh.
Thanks.
Here we go.